Need fast protection and insane gloss? Jescar Ceramic Spray Wax is your go-to solution for paint, trim, and more. This SiO₂ infused spray wax delivers ceramic-like protection, UV resistance, and a hydrophobic shield on paint, glass, wheels, trim, and lights. For best results, apply after washing or polishing to maximize bonding and longevity. Spray directly onto the surface or a microfiber towel, then spread evenly and buff with a second clean towel. A little goes a long way. Use on paint, headlights, taillights, glass, trim, wheels, and more. Safe for any exterior surface, works perfect as a topper to your ceramic coated car. Jescar Ceramic Spray Wax adds slickness, clarity, and water-beading protection that lasts for weeks with just minutes of effort. Jescar Ceramic Spray Wax, quick ceramic protection made easy.